In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause and resume syncing in the Dropbox desktop app on both Windows and Mac OS. Whether you need a break from file syncing to free up some bandwidth or focus your computer's resources on something else, this tutorial has got you covered. We'll start by showing you how to pause the sync process, then move on to resuming it when you're ready. To begin, let's look at how you can pause syncing. On your computer, you'll need to direct your attention to the system tray if you're on Windows or the menu bar if you're using a Mac. That's where you'll find the Dropbox icon. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. One of the key things to look out for here is the sync status. You might see terms like up to date or syncing located at the bottom of this menu. This tells you the current state of your Dropbox files. Now, for the next crucial step, click on this status area itself, or, alternatively, you might notice a small arrow or ellipsis icon next to it, which will also lead you to further options. Once you've opened this section, an option labeled something like Pause Syncing should be visible to you. This is your golden ticket to halting the process temporarily. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a few choices regarding the duration for which you'd like syncing to be paused. The options typically include small increments like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even settings like until tomorrow or indefinitely, depending on what Dropbox offers at the time. Now, let's move on to resuming sync. It's simple and very similar to the process you just followed. While your syncing is paused, you'll notice that the status indicator will say something like, syncing paused until a specific time, or just the word paused. This is a helpful reminder of your current sync state. To resume syncing, return to that familiar Dropbox icon either in your system tray or menu bar. Give it a click once more. You'll find yourself in the same area where you initially paused the sync. Now, in place of the pause syncing option, you should see resume syncing. All you need to do is click on this option, and Dropbox will kick back into gear, picking up exactly where it left off. By managing when Dropbox syncs your files, you can better allocate your computer's resources and maximize efficiency without missing a beat in keeping your files up to date when you are ready again. That's all for today's guide on controlling syncing in Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and happy Dropbox managing.